In this video, you can see the features and how to use the new sound level meter. We have achieved a size reduction of 35% from previous models. The color LCD and touch panel are more stylish than before. By touching the screen, you can select frequency weighting, time weighting, and measurement item. The range of the sound pressure level can be easily adjusted according to the object to be measured. The bar indicator turns red when the sound to be measured exceeds the setting range. Simply touch the screen and change the operation mode. You can perform the sound proving operation while listening to the sound being measured through headphones. Changing memory mode to record. And measurement mode to filter mode can be done by touching the screen. Here we are in the machine room. Let's locate the source of the abnormal noise. Set the filter function to listen to the sound of a specified frequency. Touch the arrow to start recording. Let's start sound probing. You can locate the sound source while listening to the sound.